Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Carson MUA here on YouTube. I thought this would be a better idea than having it on my shirt, because even when I do my makeup tutorials and stuff, I have it like in one of my brushes, so that's usually how I do it. It's usually like right here. Today, what we are gonna do is we are going to finally swatch these dang chromes that I have been wanting to swatch. Oh, now they're a mess. Okay, I've been wanting to swatch these chromes. I got these a couple weeks ago, or no, almost a month ago now. There's about 25 of them. I have not got to swatch them yet, and I've been really wanting to, but with everything going on and like what I'm having to work on and stuff, I have not been able to and have not had time to do it. But now today is the time. So that is what we're gonna do in this video. So it's gonna be like a chill video like usual. And if you are new to this channel, I'm a full specialist esthetician. I will be making videos about skincare. I do makeup in general even before I got my license, but I do that. I do nails. If you guys ever want a set of nails, go over to my Instagram and let me know, because I can make custom order nails or any kind of nails. And that's kind of how I'm doing my orders at the moment. I have to first make a website still, and I'm trying to figure out a name, so that's why it's kind of delayed, at least for website wise. But if you guys want, go over to my Instagram and you can make your orders, and I have my prices and everything over there if you guys are curious or interested, so let me know. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna finally swatch these things. The way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna paint part of it white, part of it black, just like this, because a lot of the times it depends on your base, and I thought this would be a great idea to do it so I can know what both bases look like. So that's kind of what I'm going to be doing today. And yeah, so if you're interested, keep watching. If you want to go check out any of my other videos as well, go do that after this video. Don't click off yet. And let's get into it. Finally, let's get into swatching these things. They are done. Finally, I am so happy. I don't know what happened towards the end. I think my storage ran out because I just sat here for an hour dropping over stuff to my laptop. But they turned out so nicely. I wish I would have realized with this one that they were the flakes, because I didn't realize until while doing it. So there's kind of like some gold on it from the other one, but that's okay. At least like I know what it's supposed to look like, and it was flakes, and I didn't realize that until I was doing the other ones. So, but whatever, it's okay. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys are interested, I could link this down below in the description from Amazon if you want me to. If you're looking for something similar to this, just let me know and I will do that. I gotta clean this desk. There's so much chrome. I probably have to vacuum because there's so much like flakage and everything. And then plus I gotta clean this too because there is so much chrome all in it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check out any of my other videos here on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Aesthetics by Carson. Probably gonna change that name, but that's at least the name I got right now. And yeah, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.